the respective college. Each pair will compete in the following categories. First, introduction of candidates and their judgment cultural Castilian attire. Candidates will introduce themselves wearing the chosen cultural attire from the Castilian country that they will represent, introduce their name, college, and the country where their chosen clothing came from. Next is the talent competition. Every candidate will be given a maximum of 1 to 2 minutes for their talent presentation, which aims to present the different Asian country, talents, and culture. And lastly, Q&A portion. Candidates will be the judge, and the chosen judge will deliver the question. All the questions are tackled about the Asian country, issues, or culture. The following are the different major and minor awards that will be given to the candidates that tops each category. For major awards, you have Mr. and Miss Asia 2024, first runner-up and second runner-up. And the criteria are the following. Adherence to the country they represented, 40%. Wit and intelligence, 25%. Confidence and personality, 25%. Overall impact, 10%, a total of 100%. And for minor awards, are the following. Best in national costume. The criteria are authenticity, 40%, creativity, 30%, projection, 30%, a total of 100%. Best in talent. Creativity and originality, 40%, stage presence, 30%, overall impact 30%, a total of 100%. Best in speaker. Content 50%, delivery 30%, stage presence 1%, a total of 100%. Best in production number. Voice and dairy 50%, introduction 30%, figure 20%, a total of 100%. Candidates shall be judged by a board of judges. Judges' decision is final and irrevocable. Thank you.